Hello guys and welcome back. This is Morris from the Best Online Tutorials channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a carousel in Canva. So your first step is quite simple. Just log into Canva, make sure you have an account. Once you're on here, simply click on create. So click on the plus to create, and then once the create menu opens up, go ahead and select social media. Alright guys, so once you've clicked on social media, scroll through and select a post size you want to use. I'll be going with 1080 by 1350, and my post is going to be 4 images. So we're going to multiply 1080 by 4. So we're going to be going with 1080 by 4, and head over to custom size and enter the answer into this space here, which is 4320 by 1350, and then click on create new design, and then an untitled empty design would open up. Now if you want to have grid lines like this, if you want to actually design a carousel that would look like this on your Instagram, it's quite easy to do so. You're going to need to add guidelines. These are guidelines. So to add this, click on file, click on settings, and then click on add guides. So I have already selected guides, that's why we have the lines here. So now all you need to do once you've added the lines is to enter a design. So you can get your design from either your uploads, elements, wherever you have your designs, including your previous projects. This design is actually a previous project of mine, which I had completed. So now once you have customized your design as you wish, and all you need to do now is simply scroll over to where we have apps. So head over to the apps and click on apps, and then in the app search just go ahead and type in split. So go ahead and enter split, and now once you've entered split, select image splitter. The app we're going with is this, so go ahead and click on image splitter here. All right, and then go ahead and select export your design. So click on export your design to add this over to image splitter. So you're going to upload it there. Once it has been uploaded, go ahead and select the file type and select PNG. So go with PNG, then drag the size all the way to the end. And then all you need to do now is click on export. All right, so once the image has been uploaded, you're taken to the next phase, which is selecting the number of splits you want and rows. You can go with more rows, you can go with more columns, but I'm going to keep my rows at 1, which means nothing, and then my columns at 4 because I just need 4 images. And now all you need to do is click on split image. So go ahead and click on split image, and it's going to begin individually splitting each and every one of these images into 4 pieces. Now, while it does that, all you need to do here is click on the drop down here, select social media, and then once the social media opens up, go ahead and select the style you want to use. Remember, we did this according to 1080 by 1350. So go with this Instagram post, and a new page has been added. So now with all these pages here, all you need to do now is select this design. Once you've selected the design, go ahead and click on set background. So click on set background. Sometimes Splitter would not upload the image, so just go ahead and click on add to design. And voila, we have it here. All you need to do now is just simply expand this into the size. Now you can now continue adding pages for each and every one of these images. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on share at the top right, click on download, and then where we have pages, select the number of pages. You could have up to 5 here, and then just simply remove page 1 and then click on done. And that's it. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.